Okay, so I finally got my tripod in. Today we're going to do an unboxing. Looks like today it is measure tools. That's so not what I ordered, but that's what gets it through customs, I guess. So let's go ahead, get it opened up, let's see what we got. There's supposed to be two things in here. I've ordered so much stuff I can't even remember what I get. So it looks like we got another X300 Ultra. And that appears to be the Sig Romeo 3. So we already did a video on this one. I'll pop it open though and take a look. So everything looks good on it. That one will be going on the AR. But as far as the Romeo 3, let's see what it looks like. This will be my first one that I've bought, and this will be going on the Ruger 1022. Because the EO Tech is definitely overkill, and that was meant for the AR pistol, so that really doesn't matter. So inside looks like we've got a cleaning cloth, you've got the Allen keys, and then the tool to turn it for your windage. Looks like it's got a pretty good cover on it too. That's nice. So hang on one second. So that was the Romeo 3. This is the Romeo 1. If anyone is curious what the differences are. That's a pretty big size difference. But we'll get that out of the way and get back to the Romeo 3. So it looks like it comes with the elevator. You've got the cover, pack of silica. Again, the microfiber cloth, Allen wrenches, and the key for windage. These are supposed to take a coin battery. Let's see if it comes with one, because I've seen mixed reviews where they say it requires one. It will not come with it. Yep, and that one did not. Unless it is hiding. I guess it just depends on the seller. So yeah, that one 100% did not come with one. But we'll have to get a coin battery. Can't remember what size that is, but we'll figure that out. But I think that'll do pretty good. But that is the Sig Romeo 3 from AliExpress, and I'll post links to it as well. All right, thanks for watching.